In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Pocket Option to bank account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what details to enter, and how to avoid common mistakes so your funds arrive smoothly. First, open your browser and sign into your Pocket Option account. Once you're on your dashboard, make sure you're logged in securely, ideally with two-factor authentication enabled. This keeps your account and your money safe throughout the process. From the main dashboard, look for the Finance section. It's typically located in the top menu or sidebar. Click Finance to open your account's money management tools. This is where you handle deposits, bonuses, and of course, withdrawals. Inside Finance, select Withdrawal. This takes you to the page where you can choose how you want your money sent. You'll see multiple methods available depending on your region and account status. Choose Bank Transfer as your withdrawal method. Bank transfers are reliable and straightforward, especially if you prefer funds to land directly in your bank account. If you ever need to switch methods later, you can return to this section and pick a different option that suits your needs. Now enter your withdrawal details. Start with the amount you want to withdraw and make sure it meets the platform's minimum limit and doesn't exceed your available balance. Keep in mind that currency conversion and bank processing fees may apply, depending on your bank and region. If your account has any pending verification requirements or promotional conditions, address those first to avoid delays. Next, provide your bank account information. Enter your account number and bank name, and include any region-specific details your bank requires, such as an IBAN, SWIFT, or routing code. It's important that the name on your bank account matches the name on your trading profile. Mismatches can cause your request to be declined. Take a moment to double-check every field. Even a small typo can delay processing. When everything looks correct, click Confirm to submit your request. Pocket Option will begin processing, and you should receive a confirmation notification or email with the status of your withdrawal. Processing times can vary, but bank transfers commonly take a few business days. You can monitor progress in your account's transaction or history section. If anything seems off, avoid submitting multiple duplicate requests. Instead, review your details, ensure your account is verified, and contact support if needed. Finally, log out when you're done, especially if you're on a shared device. That's it, your withdrawal is on its way. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you move your funds confidently and securely.